Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. Today, I am back with an inspirational story for you about India's only citizen ever in space. Friends, if you like my inspirational stories, please do subscribe to the channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. And for those of you who are already my subscribers, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Coming back to our inspirational story, I am going to be speaking to you about Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, the only Indian citizen to be in space. Wing Commander's space trip meant that India became the 14th nation to put a man in space. Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma was born on 13th January 1949 in Patiala in Punjab. He attended the St. George's Grammar School in Hyderabad and later graduated from the Nizam's College at Hyderabad. He joined NDA in July 1966 and was commissioned as an officer in the Indian Air Force in 1970. He steadily climbed up the ladder as a test pilot in the Indian Air Force. He was selected in 1982 as part of the joint program between the Indian Air Force and the Soviet Interkosmos program to see if he could become a cosmonaut. He became a cosmonaut on 3rd April 1984 when he was launched on the Soyuz T-11 rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome on 3rd April 1984. The Soyuz T-11 rocket launched him into space and brought him to the Salyut 7 orbiting space station along with two other cosmonauts, Yuri Malitrev and Gennady Shrekelov, who was the flight engineer, and Yuri was the flight commander. Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma remained in space for a period of 7 days, 21 hours and 40 minutes. During this period, he and his team carried out multiple experiments in space, mostly in the region of space medicine and remote sensing. When Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma was in space, he was asked in a joint TV program carried out by the Russian authorities and the Indian authorities by the then Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, how does India look from space? Rakesh Sharma replied, Sare Jahan se Acha, based on the inspirational poet Iqbal's poem, which was penned in pre-independent India. After Rakesh Sharma returned from space, he was awarded the Ashoka Chakra by the Indian government, and he was also awarded the Hero of the Soviet Union medal by the Soviet Union. He remains to date the only Indian in space and the only Indian to be awarded the Hero of the Soviet Union. Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma retired from the Indian Air Force and carried on to being a test pilot with the HAL. He retired from flying in 2001. Dear friends, if you like my inspirational stories, please do subscribe to the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I will be back soon with another inspirational story just for you very soon. I thank you once again for watching my inspirational stories, and for all my subscribers, a warm thank you from the bottom of my heart. See you again soon with another inspirational story on this very channel. Till then, till we meet again, good luck, all the best, stay safe.